Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are enjoying your studies. Today I am going to show you a very beautiful video with a great message. You know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us so many things in life. He has given us so many blessings. But despite all these things, human nature is such that he always complains that he does not have this, he does not have that. So have a look at the following video and I will be back. Thank you.
Harvey, can you believe that my friend just purchased a private jet? Man, I wish I could afford one of those.
Well, you're not doing so bad yourself, sir.
But you don't understand. If I had one of those, man, I'd be much happier.
Hey man, sorry to bother you. Is this a new Rolls Royce? Hey, this is like my dream car.
Yeah, it is.
You know man, I'd be so happy if I had a car like this instead of my piece of junk. I must be the luckiest guy on earth. Anyways, I gotta run, but thanks for talking to me.
You know what, Harvey? Now that I think about it, I guess I'm not doing so bad, you know? I guess the only way to be happy is to appreciate what you already have.
Piece of...
What happened? Did your car break down?
No, it runs fine. I'm just tired of this cheap thing. It's definitely not a Rolls Royce, that's for sure.
At least you have a car. I have to take the bus everywhere. I would be so happy if I had one. I hope you have a good day.
Wow. Guess I'm fortunate to have a car at all.
Stop! I hate taking the bus.
Hey, everything okay?
Yeah, it's fine. I'm mad because I missed the bus. I just wish I had a car.
Well, I have to bike home 20 miles every day because I can't afford the bus.
20 miles? It's a long way to bike.
Yeah. Wish I could give my legs a break one of these days. Anyway, I'm gonna take off, but
Maybe taking the bus isn't that bad after all.
man, I hate this bike. I am so tired of having to bike home every day.
Hey, is everything okay?
Yeah, I wish I could afford the bus. My legs are exhausted.
Oh, well, look at it this way. At least your legs work. That's a blessing right there.
Oh my god. I am so sorry. I'm asking, how do you stay so happy?
Well, I wasn't always happy with not being able to walk. That is, until I met someone who reminded me, at least I have arms.
I guess it's true what they say. The only way to be truly happy is to appreciate what you have. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Okay, I hope you must have enjoyed the video. What lesson did you get? You know that Allah Ta'ala has given us eyes, ear, legs to walk and so many things. With all these blessings, we can definitely conquer the world. So our poem is, "The world is mine." Let's go for the further video.